Fellow Saki, Johannes Motown, igama elingasoze lathula. Your laughter came softly, hidden inside wisdom and jokes. You'd smile and say, Amaniki Niki Wanilawa, turning heavy days into lighter moments, teaching us without shouting, leading without force. You told us what does not want you is a relief on your shoulders. So we learn to let go and walk lighter through life. Helepi Siyabonga Baba Gobuena Nangesi Bindi. Today we know who we are because you stood for us. Helepi Siyabonga Baba. Firstborn son of Mr. and Miss Motown, Gogonom Kulu roots so deep. Among 8 siblings you rose, carrying the name with honor. You gave us identity, not riches, a name we wear with pride. Juntina Zodua Chepo Chepiso and Tabelo, your blood, your light. You didn't get to see him grow, didn't see Tapelo becoming man. But Baba, your spirit walks with him, your footsteps are in his stride. Even in absence, you are present. Even in silence, you speak. Helepi Siyabonga Baba, go Baba, go Buena. Though heaven holds you now, your name still lives in us. Helepi Siyabonga Baba. A quiet father, a heroic soul, a legacy that breathes in us. Selo Saki, Johannes Motown, we remember, we honor, we thank you.